What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter on a 2021 Toyota Corolla. Like I said, this is a 21 Corolla here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. In order to get to that, we want to open the glove box. And if we take a look on the right-hand side, we're going to see this dampening arm right here. And this will pull just straight off to the right, like that. And then once you have that dampening arm unhooked, what we want to do is press in on both sides of the glove box, and it's going to allow it to come down. So press in, and then that's going to allow that to come down. If we take a look up in here, we'll see the door to the cabin filter right here, this part that has the arrow and says up. In order to get that off, there's these pinch clips on the side. Just pinch that, and that'll swing off there like that. And then this is the tray for the cabin filter right here. Go ahead and slide that out like that. And you may want to actually change the filter outside your car. I'm just doing it here because the lighting's a little better. But the filter's just sitting in the tray like this. And I actually need to come back to this one because I don't have the filter. But when you have your new one, when you put your new filter in, just make sure you match up the arrow pointing up. We have the arrow pointing up. Put your new filter in, and it just sits under these 4 tabs like that. And then we'll reverse everything we just did to put it back together. Slide that in, and again, make sure you have this part facing up with the arrow. We'll grab the door to the cabin filter. Same thing, match that, arrow pointing up. And what we want to do is start the left side in like that, and then that'll just snap on. And we can come up here and make sure that dampening arm is out of the way, but we don't have to hook it up yet. And then this will just push up like that. And then we'll come over here, snap that back on, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.